Okay, we've got these beads on a upvc window. Apparently they're brittle, so they've broken when the window fitter was doing some works with them. Apparently they can't replace these beads because they can't get hold of them. That's what we've been told. So it's about 6 areas in total. So let's crack on. And there we have it, all the areas that were cracked are now repaired, all looking back to how it should. Job done.